Open a piano and let's play What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship. Now for this song, we have our 4 basic chords. Now the first chord we have is our C major. We're going to put our thumb on middle C, C, E, G, left hand thumb on C, and this is our C major. Next chord we have our F major. We're going to move up 4 steps, F, A, C, left hand finger 5, F, playing together is our F chord. Next chord we have our A minor, 2 steps up, A, C, E, and the left hand finger 3, and this is our A minor chord. And the next chord we have our G major chord, move down 1 step, G, B, D, and the left hand activate finger 4 on G. This is our G major. So here are the 4 basic chords for our verse. We have a C, F, A minor, and G. Okay, there's also a new chord, G on B. Okay, where our right hand, we're gonna remain on G chord, but our left hand, you're gonna activate finger 2. Okay, this is our G on B. This is our G chord. Okay, this is our G on B. You can realize there is a little bit difference to it. Okay, so the new chord that we are gonna learn for this song is a G on B. The playing pattern for this song, for a full bar, is gonna be a both, right, right, right. And for half a bar, it's gonna be a both and right. Okay, so in my chord sheet, I indicated a half and a full bar. Be sure to get this free copy of the chord sheet link down below. Let's start with verse 1 bar of C. You were the word at the B, 1 bar of C, beginning. 1 with half a bar of F, God, the, half a bar of A minor, Lord, most, 1 bar of G, high. Half a bar of A minor, you're hidden, half a bar of G on B, glory in Cree, 1 bar of C, Asian. Now re, half a bar of F, view in, half a bar of A minor, you, our, 1 bar of G, Christ. Let's play verse 1, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. C.
You were the word at the
C again. F. A minor, G. A minor, G on B, C, F, A minor, G. Let's move on to our chorus. We have a new chord. Previously it was a C chord. Now this new chord is a C on E, where we're gonna have our right hand remain on C, and our left hand we're gonna stretch 1 step down to E. Okay, so this is C chord. This is how C chord sounds like, and this is how C on E sounds like. Okay, however, if you want to stretch up to this E with your thumb going up, is also okay. You are going to stretch down. I prefer going down, so C on E, low E, or C on high E is also okay. Okay, so let's go chorus slowly. We're going to start from C chord. What a beautiful name it is. C chord. What a beautiful name it is. G chord. The name of G, half a bar of A minor, Jesus Christ, half a bar of G, my King, 1 bar of F. What a beautiful name it is. C on E. Nothing compares to this. 1 bar of G. What a beautiful name it is. Half a bar of A minor. The name, half a bar of G, half a bar, 1 bar of F, Jesus. Let's play chorus smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, C.
What a beautiful name
G.
it is. The name of
A minor,
Jesus
down to G,
Christ, my
F.
King. What a
Get
beautiful
ready, C on E.
name it is.
back to G,
this. What a beautiful name.
A minor,
is the
G,
name of
F.
Jesus.
Let's move on to verse 2. Similar to verse 1, we're gonna start with C chord, 1 bar. You didn't want heaven without C chord, us. So Jesus, half a bar of F. You brought half a bar of A minor, heaven, 1 bar of G, down. Half a bar of A minor. My sin was half a bar of G on B. Great your love was, 1 bar of C, greater. What could, half a bar of F, supper, half a bar of A minor, rate, us, 1 bar of G, now. Let's play verse 2, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, C chord.
You didn't want heaven without us. So
F,
Jesus,
go.
you
A minor,
brought heaven
G.
down.
A minor,
My
G
sin
on
was
B,
great, your love
C.
was greater.
F,
What
go.
could
A minor,
separate
G.
us now?
Now let's move on to our bridge. We have our F, we have our G, we have our A minor, the previous basic chord. Now for the last note, we have our E minor. So previously on C, on E, you have stretched down your E. So why not we just stretch it down? E minor, left hand is a E, and right hand you're gonna go E, G, B. Okay, so this is our E minor, okay, for our bridge. So let's move back up to our bridge. First chord is our F chord. Slowly. Death could not hold, F chord, you. The veil tore before, G chord, you. You silence the boast, A minor, of sin and grave, E minor. The heavens are raw, F chord, ring. The praise of your glory, G chord, re. For you are raised, A minor, to life again, G chord. You have no right, F chord, vowel. You have no E, G chord, quo. Now and for A minor, ver, God, you reign, E minor. Yours is the king, F chord, them. Yours is the glory, G chord, re. Yours is the name, A minor, above all names, G chord. Let's play bridge, smoothly ready. 1, 2, 1,
Death
2,
could
F
not
chord.
hold you. The veil tore before you. You silenced
E minor.
the boast of sin.
Get ready, E minor.
and grave. The heavens
F
are
again.
roaring. The praise of your
G.
glory. For you
A minor.
are raised to life
Down to G.
again.
F
You have
and
no
me, go.
rival. You have no
G.
equal. Now and
A minor.
forever, God,
And
you
E minor going down.
reign. Yours
And
is the
F, go.
kingdom. Yours is the
G.
glory. Yours
A
is
minor.
the name above all
G.
names.
Now we're going to jam the full song. Now for the jamming sequence, it's going to be verse 1 to chorus, verse 2 to chorus. We're going to play bridge, and then we're going to end 2 times for our chorus. Okay, one is being the song chorus, and then the other one we're just going to build up. C chord ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, C chord, go.
You were the word at the beginning, one with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you, our Christ. What a beautiful
Chorus, C,
name
go.
it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful
C on E.
name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Verse 2, C chord.
You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a wonderful
Chorus,
name
and go.
it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful
C on E.
name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus.
Bridge,
Death
F
could
chord
not
still.
hold you. The veil torn before you. You silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring the praise of your glory. For you are raised to life again. You have no rival, you have no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names.
Go back
What
to
a
chorus,
powerful
and we
name
hold.
it is.
2,
What a powerful
hold.
name it is.
2,
The
3,
name
A
of
minor,
Jesus
down to G,
Christ, my
and F.
King. What a powerful
C on E and
name
hold.
it is. Nothing can
And G
stand
hold.
against. What a powerful
A minor,
name
hold.
it is. The
G,
name of Jesus.
Now we
What a
play the
powerful
pattern
name
chorus.
it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of
Repeat,
Jesus.
last line.
What a powerful name it is. The
G,
name of
F.
Jesus. What a
One more time,
powerful
repeat last
name
line.
it
A
is.
minor,
The
G,
name of
F.
Jesus.
and on F. I hope you had a good time learning and jamming to this song. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial video. Now do drop a comment below on the songs you would like to learn, and I will do my best to do a tutorial for it. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.
The